Every time I scroll through my social media feed, I see posts from people flaunting their success, their lavish lifestyles, their shiny cars, and their dream homes. And it's easy to feel a little envious, right? But here's the thing. Behind every self-made millionaire, there's a story. A journey that's often filled with struggles, failures, and lessons learned. So, let's break down what it really takes to become a self-made millionaire. Because it's not just about luck or hitting the jackpot. First off, mindset is everything. You've probably heard this a million times, but it's true. You need to cultivate a mindset that's open to growth and resilience. Think about it. Every successful person has faced obstacles. They've been told no, they've faced rejection, and they've encountered failures that could have easily knocked them down. But what sets them apart is their ability to get back up, learn from those experiences, and keep pushing forward. So if you're sitting there feeling defeated, remember that every setback is just a setup for a comeback. Now let's talk about the importance of setting goals. It's not enough to say, I want to be rich. You need to define what that looks like for you. Is it a certain amount in your bank account? Is it financial freedom to travel whenever you want? Whatever it is, write it down. Break it down into smaller, actionable steps. This way you're not just dreaming, you're creating a roadmap. And trust me, having that clarity will keep you motivated when the going gets tough. Another crucial element is education. And I don't mean sitting in a classroom cramming for exams. I'm talking about a lifelong commitment to learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, whatever it takes. The world is constantly changing, especially in the business landscape. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to seize opportunities and navigate challenges. And don't just learn about your field, broaden your horizons. Understanding different industries can spark innovative ideas that could set you apart from the competition. Networking is another piece of the puzzle. I know, some of you might cringe at the thought of networking events, but hear me out. Building genuine relationships can open doors you didn't even know existed. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire you and challenge you to grow. Attend workshops, join online forums, or just reach out to people whose work you admire. You'd be surprised how many are willing to share their insights and experiences. And let's not forget about taking risks. It's easy to stay in your comfort zone, but growth happens when you step outside of it. Whether it's starting that side hustle you've been thinking about or investing in a new venture, calculated risks can lead to incredible rewards. Yes, you might fail, but remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Each risk taken is a lesson learned, and that knowledge will serve you in the long run. Finally, let's talk about persistence. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when the weight of your ambitions feels too heavy to bear. But this is where your commitment to your goals comes into play. Stay focused, stay determined, and don't let temporary setbacks derail your vision. Remember, success isn't a straight line. It's a winding road filled with twists and turns. So if you're serious about becoming a self-made millionaire, start today. Cultivate that growth mindset, set clear goals, invest in your education, build your network, take those risks, and most importantly, be persistent. It's a journey, not a sprint. And who knows? One day, you might just find yourself sharing your success story, inspiring others to chase their dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and success. Thanks for watching.